Nu punja kalulu nu motonda linda no. What is one thing you have learned about yourself through your pageant training? ก็ตัวชีตื่นฉันก็จัวจงนออีอยากก็โตเกิดจะก็ตุเข่งยอดชี What is one thing you have learned about yourself through your pageant training? ก็ตัวชีตื่นฉันก็จัวจงนออีอยากก็โตเกิดจะก็ตุเข่งยอดชี
Thank you for your question. Something I have learned about myself is that I love to interact with each and every person that I come across. The reason behind that is because everyone has a different and unique personality, and everybody goes through differences and hardships. I love to learn about people and know what kind of things they've gone through and meet them eye to eye with my own hardship. Thank you.
Calling the Yabetu side, Dala Jao, Nu Punja Sing Lee. Judges, you have